Hello, I'm Nancy Dodge from YB Stamp, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Take Your Pick tool. Right now I have 3 pieces. They come with different ends. There's a very pointy end, an end that's sticky to pick up embellishments. Yes, it's very sharp. And you twist it and turn it around, and there's like a flat spatula. I'll show you how to use that in a minute. There's also yeah, so I'm just showing you the spatula on both. uh, a X-Acto knife option. It's very sharp. Be very careful. I always put the end on so I don't cut myself. There's also a brush and mat. I just put it in this case because I want to be able to house it together. But it does come with the mat, and all you do is you unscrew the end. So there's 2 different ends. One is the screw end, and that's where we're going to put the brush. Just screws right in so that you don't have to worry about it falling out. And the other end is just the twist piece. So I'm going to show you how to use the little brush. All I do is I take a piece that I've already run through the die machine, and sometimes when you poke it out it doesn't come out quite right. So I'm going to just quickly run it over this, and see, voila, it pops out for much easier. I know the black on black is hard to see, but there you go. Isn't that awesome? So much easier. All right, I'm going to put this away. Oh, nope. I'm going to show you how to use the X-Acto knife end first. Put this back together because I'm a Virgo and I need to have things put together correctly. So here's a piece of designer series paper. And you just put it over something soft. That's why I have this cushion still out from the brush. And just kind of saw away at the pieces so that you can get a cut around. It's pretty sharp, so it does a pretty good job. It takes a little bit of practice, but there you go, all cut. So it's good for like little spaces because it's hard to get your snips in there if you're fussy cutting. But it's a pretty neat tool. And we got to clip it, otherwise we cut ourselves. All right, I'm going to stick that aside and show you how to use the other tools on the other end. All right, so here's the little sticky end that I screwed back in. And don't screw it too tight because then the glue starts coming, that little sticky stuff starts coming out more. And there are refills for it too if you ever run out. It's been a while since I've used it because it's not really a tool of choice that I use. But a lot of people use it to pick up their little embellishments. See? There you go. And then I'm going to show you the spatula. Nope, the pointy end. Because that's what I use for embellishments. See, I just pick it up with my pointy end. It's really also really good for poking out pieces from your die machine, because I know that there's a lot. Sometimes you run it through the die machine and it gets stuck in there. And if you notice in your dies, there's a little itty bitty hole, and that pointy tool is great. So here's one of my favorite things about this tool. Well, some people use it to pick up embellishments, but me, I use it to fix mistakes. Now this is an older piece that's not quite even, so that's why I pulled it out. So I'm not sure the adhesive may be too adhered. Yep, it's too adhered. Let me try another section. Let's see. So it's starting to come up, see? Starting to come up. But like I said, I think the adhesive has been there too long. Normally you'd do this right away, but I thought I would show you on an older card that I just had hanging around. It's not really working the way I thought it would. Nope, I don't think so. Nope, nice try. Let's try something else. Here's a card that I made earlier. I'll show you how easily it comes up when it doesn't adhere to itself over a period of time. So you can pick it up, remove it, reposition it how you want it, and voila. See how easy it comes up? And I put quite a bit of adhesive on the back too. So this is a great little tool. So I hope you've learned something. This is a great thing. Take your pick tool. There's more information on my website, ybstamp.com, and happy stamping. All righty. Have a good one, everybody.